Okay, day 47. So let me address the problem yesterday. Okay, here's a clue Michael describing the issue. Here's the only bug on yesterday's upgrade on the talk event. So here we are on the site of the blueprint, and this part right here is the bug because this particular variable is a stress set structure. And I'm just new to this set blueprint in Unreal Engine 5, really. And from what I want is to engine to return a reference instead of a copy of the data from this find node so I can modify it right. Yeah, it's fairly simple task. You will have to increment the index of the dialog, and that is it. Yeah, that is the overall problem, mainly because I'm not really familiar with the set structure in Unreal Engine 5 just yet. And this is an engine problem. That's all you gotta say. Here's a clip of it working. Hello there, look at this. This is increasing now. The dialog index is now increasing with the set structure, which I finally figured out, which is great news because we can continue with the rest of the day. And with that, back to you, Michael. And now, for the overall plan for today. So hello guys, I just finished the problem and I went to Microsoft Paint once again to explain the plan, and you already know the drill. So here it is. So here's what I'm thinking. I will add a second layer choices into the choices already implemented, which is another layer, which an example is on the talk button. It will show talk subcategories of that branch, like talk what do you want to say with choices and of what dialogues you can pick. And the second thing is I want to add is make the UI for the examination assessment that will happen on the first day, specifically on potentially 8:30 a.m. game time. And it is not just an exam like static. It's gonna be dynamic depending on the question. So no matter what the exam is about, the UI will be able to handle it. How many questions, etc., etc. And with that, plan explained and nothing else left to say. And finally say back to you, Michael. And with Michael on the clip says the plan for the day is, let us get into the clip. Michael just finished the implementation. So guys, I just implemented recently the second layer choices part, so let us get into it. Let me click play real quick and see the NPC options, and let's pop it first by following these methods. As previous they say, hover your mouse into this NPC and press letter in my keyboard, then you can see this choices pops up. And now let's click one of these options. Let's click talk. Then as you can see, another layer of options is displayed, and if you click introduction, it will finally make the NPC introduce themselves to the player. And yeah, with that basically working and nothing else left to say, back to you, Michael. Guys, I couldn't make the full exam just yet. Here is a clip of Michael at the end of the day implementation. Yo guys, I couldn't finish the full UI of the exam because making it dynamic was a terrible idea, and I just got for now is this. Let me show you. So let me click play real quick and trigger this event on the time 8:30 a.m. and go to this chair, and with this, the exam UI pops up, and yeah, it is there, but look, it looks awful as hell, but it doesn't have design yet, and it doesn't function just yet. So, and yeah, that is why it's not done. Look at this complexity of nodes just for this garbage. But again, in the future, I will make this better and functional. So yeah, guys, it doesn't deserve a purpose for now, but we will get there. And yeah, with all of that, back to you, Michael. So yeah, guys, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow.